Hey girl, hey! Today I'm going to be showing you guys what I got. I'm so excited. KKW contour sticks are really amazing. In-nude-endo. I got the luster dust. I got 2 of them and oh my gosh. I got Hit Rewind and I got Gnome KKW contour sticks in dark. And I have 1 and 2. Dark, number 2. So this is how much I put. Also do the bottom here. And this blends really fast and easy. This is my left side and this is my right side. Like a beginner can definitely use this. And that's the reason why she started with the contour sticks, because she said it was easy, it blended, which is like completely true. Even if I did a horrible job at blending, you can't see any lines and you can't mess it up. I definitely suggest you guys try this out. You see how dark it looks here, but on my face it blended out to like very smooth. And then I got the nude-endo. G-N-O-M-I-E, gnome, I don't know. This one is really shimmery, but it does have some sparkles in it, and I don't really like that unless like I'm feeling like actual sparkles on my face. But it's really pretty though, and it doesn't have like a base color, but when it hits the lights, obviously it's very luminous. The next one is Hit Rewind, and the base color is pink. The luminosity is a gold. Since the base is pink, I feel like any skin tone can really wear it because it's gonna be like a blush. This one's so pretty, you guys. This one is definitely more of a metallic. They all are metallic. Fine Line and Morning After are the ones that are very natural looking and not as metallic as other ones. Fine Line at the top, something that you can wear every day if you have light skin tone or even light to medium skin tone. The second one is On the Loose right here. Third one is Glam You Came. I feel like a lot of brands have this color. Champagne Gold. Losing Sleep. The lighter complexion can wear this as a blush. This fifth one is Morning After. On Tempo. And this one I can use as a blush, but definitely not on my highlight. This first one and this fifth one didn't swatch as metallic as the other ones, but they would be a perfect all over powder. They'll be really nice for like everyday highlight look. I'm gonna test out Glad You Came. It does build up really nicely though, or you can go with a very fluffy brush and just kind of powder all over with this one with Glad You Came or Morning After. And it's really beautiful. There's no chunky glitter, it's all just metallic. I'm gonna use On Tempo as a blush, and I have a lot of texture, you guys, I know, it sucks. So there's On Tempo right there, very beautiful blush highlight color. You can kind of tell like the whiter color and the pinky color right here for my highlight. I'm gonna use a little bit of Fine Line. I'm actually gonna use a little bit of Hit Rewind because this one's so beautiful, you guys. I've been wanting this like for a long time, like a blush that's really like luminous. Oh, look at that blush. Oh my god. I keep calling it blush because literally it's a blush for me. Now I'm gonna do a little bit of Gnome. Ooh, definitely glittery. I guess it'll be better for my texture because instead of my texture, you'll see like the glitter sparkles instead of like, ooh, I am so luminous. Look at me, I'm glowing, I'm luminous, I'm blushing from within. I'm gonna use a little bit of Morning After. It's a little bit orangey and I think it would match better because I have like more tinted lips, so I thought it would look, you know, decent right now. Yeah, that's really pretty. For the color On the Loose, I'm gonna do it right under my brow. It's definitely picking up a lot more golden. Hopefully you guys can tell how golden that is. Gnome is really pretty and it kind of low-key hides my texture because instead of like the texture, you see the glitter. With metallics, you can see texture, you can see bumps, you can see like the pores. You know when people have like a big old pimple right here and they put like literally like a diamond on top of it or like a sticker on top of it? That's literally gonna be like my face with the textures. Cause like if you have texture and like glitter goes on top of it, obviously it's gonna show glitter instead of that bump. And if it's metallic, it needs a flat surface, so it needs like something that shines on it flat. My skin is definitely not flat, so to be honest, I kind of was really hating the glitter, like the sheen and the glitter mixture on gnome, but for my face right now, since I have so much texture, I think it works a little bit better. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to this channel. Toodles! Mwah.